Good morning students. Welcome to Maths class. I hope you studied all the portions that we completed from the chapter Playing with Numbers. Anyway, today we are going to discuss HCF and LCM of numbers. First we can discuss HCF. HCF of two or more given numbers is the highest or greatest of their common factors. What is that? Highest or greatest of their common factor. Okay, then what is mean by LCM? LCM of two or more given numbers, sometimes two numbers, sometimes more than two numbers, is the least or lowest of their common multiple. Is the least or lowest of their common multiple. Okay, so what is the difference between HCF and LCM? HCF means highest common factor. We are looking common factor. Which one is the highest one? Then here least common multiple. In all the multiples, which one is the common multiple? Then in that common multiple, least one. Okay, so we can discuss some questions related with the HCF and LCM. First question, find the HCF of 60, 84 and 90. Here we are using prime factorization method for finding HCF. Okay, in prime factorization method means we are writing the given number as the product of prime numbers. Here we are not taking any composite number, only we are taking prime number for division. Okay, first we can find out the prime factorization of number 60. For that, first we want to check here. Here we want to take the least prime number. Which one is the least prime number? Number 2. Then we want to check the given number is divisible by 2 or not. Okay, here 2 is divides 60 means we can write here 2. If 2 is not divides 60 means we want to take another number. But here 60 is an even number. So we all know 2 is divisible. Okay, then 2 divides 60. What will be the answer? We will get 30. 2 divides 60, we will get 30. Then 30 also an even number. So 2 is divisible. Then what will be the answer? 15. 30 divided by 2, we will get 15. Then in this 15 is an odd number. So 2 is not possible. So what we want to do? We want to take the next prime number. Which one is the next prime number? 3. Then we want to check 3 is possible or not. Here 15, in this 15, 3 is possible. How many times 3 is possible in 15? 5 times. We will get 5. 15 divided by 3, we will get 5. Then 5 is a prime number. So we all know prime numbers, the factors are one and the same number itself. So here only 5 is possible. Any prime number is coming here means you want to write the same number itself. Okay. Then 1, 5 is 5. If you get 1 here, you can stop the process and we want to write the prime numbers. The product of prime numbers we want to write instead of 60. Okay. So 60 equal to, we can write 2 into then third number 3 into next number 5. So 60 equal to 2 into 3 into 5. If you are multiplying 2 into 3 into 5, you will get the same answer. Okay. Then next we can look the same way. Prime factorization of 84. 84 also an even number. So 2 is possible. Then 84 divided by 2. What will be the answer? 42. Then again 42 also 2 is possible. Then what will be the answer? 21. 42 divided by 2, we will get 21. Then in 21, 2 is not divisible. So we will take next number, next prime number 3. Then 3 into which number we will get 21? 3 sevens are 21. Okay. Then 7 is a prime number. So we can write here 7. Then 1 7 is 7. So this is the prime factorization of 84. We can write 84 equal to the product of prime numbers. 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, understood how to do this? Here we can write only the prime numbers. First you want to write the least prime number. That number is not possible, then you can take 3. If 3 is not possible, then you can take 5. That order you want to follow. Okay. The next one is 90. 90 also 2 is possible. We all know the final answer 45. If you are dividing 90 by 2, we will get 45. Then in 45, 2 is not possible. So we can check by 3. 3 into 15, we will get 45. Again 3 is possible. We want to write here 5. 3 5s are 15. Then 5, 1. Okay. So prime factorization 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So we completed the prime factorization of all the given numbers. After this, we want to check which numbers are common factor. Okay, which numbers are common factor of these 3 given numbers. Here you can see 2 present in 60. Then here also 2. Here also 2. 2 present in all the given numbers. Okay. Then here you can see 2. But the third number we cannot see 2. So not possible. Again we can 3. Then 3. Here also 3. Okay. Any other number is possible in 3 numbers? No. Here 5 and here 5. But in second number we cannot see 5. So 5 is not possible. Only 2 and 3 is common factor. Okay. So you want to write the HCF equal to product of the common factors. Which numbers are common here? 2 and 3. 2 one time common. So you can write 2. Then 3 one time common. So you can write 3. Then final answer. What is 2 into 3? 6. So the 6 is the highest common factor of the 60, 84 and 90. Okay. This way we can find out the highest common factor of the given numbers. Then next we can move to LCM. Here I taken the same numbers for finding LCM also. Find the LCM of 60, 84 and 90. Same numbers. Because after getting this answer, we can compare the answers. HCF and what is the difference between HCF and LCM. Okay. Here we used the prime factorization method. For finding LCM, we are using division method. Division method means we want to write all the numbers together in a row. Okay. How many numbers given? 3 numbers given. So you want to write the 3 numbers with a comma. Separate the numbers with a comma. Okay. Then here also we want to take the prime numbers. Here any one of the number 2 is possible means you can write here 2. Okay. If 3 numbers 2 is not possible means you want to take 3. All the given numbers, any one of the number 2 is possible means first you want to write 2. Okay. Here anyway all the numbers 2 is possible. So we can divide all the numbers by 2. First I am dividing 60 divided by 2. We will get 30. Then put comma. Then 84 divided by 2. What is 84 divided by 2? We will get 42. Then 90 divided by 2. 45. Okay. Then again line. After that you want to check any one of the number 2 is possible. Yes. First number and the second number 2 is possible. So you can write 2 here. Then divide by 2. 30 divided by 2 we will get 15. 42 divided by 2 we will get 21. Then is it possible? 45 divided by 2. It's not possible. So what do you want to do? We want to rewrite the same number. Okay. Here division is not possible. So you please bring down the same number. Okay. After that you can check. Any one of the number 2 is possible? No. So we want to check with the 3. Then we can write here 3. 15. 3 is possible. 5 times 3 is possible. Then how many times 3 is possible in 21? 7 3s are 21. Then what about 45? Is it possible? Yes. How many times? 15 times possible. Okay. After that again we want to check 3 is possible. Already 2 is not possible here. Then 3 is possible or not? Yes. One of the number 3 is possible. So you want to take 3. If 3 is not possible, then only you can take 5. Okay, here 3 is possible in one of the number. So first you divide it, that number, by 3. We will get here 5. Okay, then what about other numbers? Other numbers, division is not possible. So just to bring down the same numbers. Here 5, here 7. Okay, after this 2 and 3 is not possible. Next we want to check with the 5. 5 is possible because here 5 one time possible. Then 7 divided by 5 not possible. Bring down the same number. Here also one time possible. After that again you want to write this. One prime number is here now 7. You can write the same number here. Then 1 bring down. Then here also 1 times 7 1. Now you can see the last step, all the numbers are 1. Okay, which time you get all the numbers 1, then you can stop the process. Now we get all the prime numbers. After that, for finding the LCM, you want to write the product of this prime numbers. LCM of 60, 84, 90 equal to product of this all prime numbers. So 1 by 1. Don't miss any number. First 2. Then again 2, after that 3, then again 3, then after 5, then 7. Understood? You want to write all the numbers 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. Okay, how many prime numbers are given? Getting here that all the numbers product you want to write. After that you want to find out the final answer. What is the product of this total? Total prime numbers. How many prime numbers are here? You want to find out the you want to find out the product. Okay. Then how to find out? 2 into 2, 4. Then 4 into 3, 12. Then 12 into 3. What is 12 into 3? 36. Yes. 36. After that 36 into 5. If you have any confusion, you can multiply like this. 36 into 5. Multiply. 5 into 6. 30. Then carry over 3. After that 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So here we will get the answer 180. Then we have one more number 7. So what we want to do? This 180 into 7. Again we want to multiply. Okay. So 7 0. 7 into 0. 0. Then 7 into 8. 56. 56. So we will write here 6. Then carry over 5. 1 7. 7. Then 7 plus 5. What is the answer? 12. So what is the final answer? Final answer after all these numbers multiplication, we will get 1260. So what is the least common multiple of these three numbers? 1260. Okay. So in the same question, now we completed the HCF and LCM. HCF, what will be the answer? 6. Then LCM, the answer is 1260. Okay. So understood what is the difference? HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Here they are using highest, but the value is very small. Okay. Here we are using the least common multiple. In the common multiple, which one is the least one? Here 1260. Okay. So I hope you understood the concept. Study well. Thank you.